Tesla's Dashcam is integrated within Sentry Mode, a security feature that transforms your Model X into a surveillance system when parked. Sentry Mode activates the car's external cameras when parked, automatically recording any detected motion or impact around the vehicle. To enable Sentry Mode, navigate through your touchscreen interface. Start by tapping the Controls menu. Then, select the Safety submenu from the options. Finally, enable Sentry Mode to activate the Dashcam functionality. Remember that footage is stored locally and loops, overwriting older clips when storage is full. To view footage directly on your Model X screen, start by tapping the Dashcam icon in the app menu. Once tapped, the Dashcam viewer opens, allowing you to browse recorded clips organized by date and time. Use the on-screen controls to play, pause, or zoom into the footage. This makes reviewing incidents quick and simple. First, ensure that Sentry Mode was enabled and has recorded some footage. This mode automatically captures video when motion is detected around your parked Model X. Next, on the center screen, navigate to Controls, then Camera, and finally select Dashcam. This will open the Dashcam viewer where you can browse your recorded clips. Now select a clip from the list to view it. Use the touch controls on the screen to rewind, fast forward, or pause playback. This allows you to review the footage in detail. To export Dashcam footage from your Tesla Model X, you'll need a compatible USB drive. The key requirements include proper formatting and sufficient capacity for high-resolution clips. The USB drive must be formatted in FAT32 file system. This format ensures compatibility with Tesla's export system and allows proper storage of video files. For high-resolution Dashcam clips, a 32 gigabytes or larger USB drive is recommended. This provides ample space for multiple 4K video files without running out of storage during export. Recent Tesla firmware updates have improved compatibility with various USB drives, minimizing issues with non-Tesla branded devices. Always ensure your drive is recognized by the vehicle's system. Begin the USB export process by inserting your FAT32 formatted USB drive into one of the Model X's USB ports, typically located in the center console. With the USB inserted, access the screen viewer on your Model X and select the specific Dashcam clip you want to export from the available recordings. From the clip selection, choose the Export option and select your USB drive as the destination. The footage will be saved in MP4 format. Once exported, safely remove the USB drive.